Hi, it's Lynette here. So you might notice my thumbnail is I'm wearing something different. What happened is I filmed this, came away, and then went and checked all the prices out and thought I'll just refilm it and tell you the prices as I'm doing it rather than fiddling about putting them all in. Although I haven't worked out how much the total box is, so you might try and work that out. Mental maths is not my strongest. What box am I talking about? Of course, I'm talking about my latest in beauty box, which is a monthly beauty box with a difference. This is the box that you get to pick your own items. They have a Hall of Fame item, which is fantastic. They guarantee one for everyone. I'm a pre-existing subscriber, so I still have a 9-item box. However, if you're joining up today, and I've got a code to get money off below, I think, might be 10% off. If you're signing up today, you'll get offered the 6-item box. The 3 and the 9 only exist for people who were already pre-existing members. Okay, so for £18 plus, you know, my postage and packaging is included in that price. I get to pick 9 items. What I tend to do, right, is wait and see if there's anything coming up that I really like the look of. However, what I will say with this box is the date that you order becomes the date that you need to order by. So you have 1 month in which to pick. So make sure you know when that is. Otherwise, they'll make a box up for you, and I've seen that before and it wasn't pretty. If you're interested, Marcia, Lady Mawa, had a box. She let them pick for her just as an experiment. They didn't even put the Hall of Fame item in. Really disappointing. It's a fantastic brand, fantastic company. I have had no issue. If something's arrived broken, damaged, missing, their customer service is second to none. This box honestly is fantastic, and it's not old tat that they're looking to get rid of. Quite often it might be that companies are rebranding, or it's a brand new product that they're looking to kind of get people to try. But you know, there's been once or twice where people have said the dates have been either out of date or short, but that's not been for a while. I've heard that. I will also say is check the sizes if you're ordering anything, because you know, I think this one time I got a shampoo and conditioner, it was like that size, and then the next time it was on the website but it was only like 50 mils. So if I hadn't checked that, it would be tiny, and I have been caught out loads of times. Depends. You know, if you want it and you want to try it, you might not mind that it's a smaller size. So anyway, I'm going to quickly go through the box and show you what I've got. So this first item is Faith in Nature hair mask. So it's coconut and shea butter. It's vegan, recyclable and recycled, and cruelty free. 99% natural origins, no SLS or parabens. So I went online and I found this for £7, which I think is quite good for the size of it as well, isn't it? I do like the brand. The next one is from a brand I didn't even know existed. So if you, I can hear Poppy shouting at me. If you've ever watched the American TV programme Dr. Pimple Popper, the Sandra Lee MD has her own brand of skincare. So this is a salicylic acid body wash, and it's a body cleanser for blemish prone skin, 240 mils. This would set you back £36. The packaging is lovely, quite simple actually, I do like it. So yeah, £36. So it's quite good actually. I picked it up because I thought, you know, the boys sometimes get spotty. Well, I don't know how they would do their own backs actually, I never thought of that. Anyway, I thought I'll pick that up, I'm sure the boys will use it anyway. I'm just trying to think, you know, you tend to get like a spotty back or something. I can see from my Ring doorbell that there's somebody at the door, or somebody coming back in. It just flashed up there. Okay, so that was £36. The Purity London Facial Cleanser and Makeup Remover. I've had this before. It contains natural and organic ingredients, fragrance free. I haven't tried it yet. And it is £8.99. I'll be Stephen back from the gym. He'll be wanting in the kitchen. That's what it'll be. The Nip and Fab, I think this was the Hero, the Hall of Fame product. Vitamin C Fix Cleanser, 145 mils, that is £12.95. I really am into my vitamin C at the moment, but it will go in a few products that I need to use up first. So I picked this up, this is the second one of this, the Cuddle Company Cuddle Cream. I've actually had it last month, but I've had it like previous years when they've had this before, and this is £7.99. So the prices I either get when they come up, it has to be a website that I know. So I wouldn't go on a website that was like, you know, getitherecheap.com or whatever. It's places like Boots, Amazon, or from the company direct. So that's where I kind of get my prices from. Feel Unique. Place look fantastic. So it's never any obscure like, oh, here it is for £2.99, but it's some obscure random website. I would never. I just don't take those into account. This is another Sandra Lee product. It is a skin drink with squalene and hyaluronic acid. This is a whopping £44 for 30 mils, but look how sophisticated that packaging is. And when you press the button, that fills up the pipette. I just think that's amazing. So hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin, and so is squalene. I think it must just be really hydrating, because it says it's your go-to bottle of hydrating powder. The serum combines squalene and hyaluronic acid to deliver instant moisturising properties for healthier looking skin. So shake well, use twice a day, 1 to 2 drops in the palm of your hand. So what I always do, if anything has hyaluronic acid, I put that on after, I spray my toner on my face, put that on after, and sometimes I just give it a little spritz and let it dry in. Because hyaluronic acid, I'm sure it's hyaluronic acid that absorbs a lot of water as well, so that's why I do it. I had an amazing lady that used to contact me. I don't hear from her very often, but Chris Mossine, it was her that told me about that tip about spraying the water on, or the toner. So this is Dirty Works Vitamin C Face Scrub. It has gentle pumice in it. I love the packaging, absolutely fantastic. So I couldn't actually find this one, but I found one like it for about £7 from the same brand. So yeah, I love they do a foam and sugar scrub for the body. That is amazing. But no, this is really good. Love it. I'm sure you might be able to pick it up elsewhere cheaper, but I just could not find it anywhere. This is one of the practical things. So I'm trying to use this box to buy things that I might need tweaking, you know, like regularly, that aren't just nice fancy things like makeup and bits and pieces. So I picked up the Women's Mitchum Natural Power. It's got no aluminium in it as well, so that would be £4.50, and I'm really kind of enjoying the roll-on. So this is an invisible solid deodorant. There we go. So the next item I have here is, I know it's small but it's lovely, it's Nuxe Nuxuriance Gold, and it is an oil cream. Smell is amazing. I love the smell so much that I actually bought the perfume. Is that, I'm trying to think, was there not an advert where he enjoyed the razor so much he bought the company? That's what I heard myself in my head. That's what I heard when I said it. So for 15 mils, right, I've never costed this up before, it's £16.20. Right, okay, so 50 mils was £54, then I divided it and then I times that, so that's where I got the price from, in case you're wondering. So I think that's amazing. I thought that was only going to be worth a couple of pounds because it's tiny. I also got a couple of freebies. So I got the Cetaphil moisturising lotion. It is a sample size, but it's got a decent sample size. I'm going away to conference in end of April, so I'll probably take it then. And this is a Hands to Heart anti-aging brightening hand cream. How many times do they say, you know, like, oh, you can have all this work done but you can't hide age from your hands, especially if you're a slim person. The hands can look kind of, I've got like fatty hands. I've got hands of a 20-year-old, yeah, face of a 90-year-old, but never mind. So yeah, that was an interesting freebie as well. So if my maths was any good, I could work it out and let you know. But the Faith in Nature was £7, the skin drink was £44, the Purity was £8.99, Nip and Fab £12.95, Salicylic Wash £36, Dirty Works £7, Mitchum £4.50, the Curl Cream £7.99, and the Nuxe £16.20. So when I add that all up, that's going to add up to a big amount. Considering I spent like £18 on the box. Anyway, I've got to go because it's 6:30 and I need a cup of coffee. It's been a long day. Yeah, I changed my top because I noticed there was a stain on it and I thought, oh, I'll change that. And then I had a bit of Brandon's birthday cake and I spilled it on my top, so I hope you can't see it because I thought I'm not getting changed again. Okay, I'm going to go now. have a lovely evening, afternoon, day, whatever it is, whatever time it is where you are, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.